kinky friends, the girl kinkyamiee. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is dedicated to helping you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking the bell button so you don't miss any video notification. Okay, so on today's video I'll be telling you guys how to make your natural hair soft, your 4C natural hair. So make sure to watch to the end of this video because I'm giving you 2 bonus tips to how to keep your hair soft every day. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So I know some of you are just new to this natural hair journey, some of you just did your big chop, and some are still transitioning. Okay, and you've been going through the struggle, like most of you don't even know how to detangle your hair or make it soft, do anything to the hair. It's difficult, yeah, I know. So in this video I'm going to be telling you the perfect answer to how to make your hair soft. Okay, so the best way to make your hair soft is by moisturizing your hair. Okay, yeah, moisturizing your hair. And there are 2 methods of moisturizing. It's either you use the LCO method or the LOC method. And now what's the LOC method? The LOC method is liquid oil cream, while the LCO method is liquid cream oil. You can use any of this method as long as it works for your hair type. Okay, if it's the LCO method that works for you, which is liquid cream oil, first of all you apply your liquid. Your liquid can be water, which is the ultimate. So your liquid can be water or leave-in conditioner. If you have a leave-in conditioner as a product, okay, you can use it. And then the oil can be your coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, any hair oil of your choice. Okay, then your cream can be shea butter. It could be any cream that works with your hair. Okay, so that's it. If you do this process, your hair will definitely be soft. Now the bonus tip I have for you guys is, the first one is, make sure to wear your satin bonnet at night. Okay, or you can use a satin pillowcase or your satin scarf or silk scarf, whichever one you have. Make sure to tie your hair at night, okay, so your pillow doesn't soak up all the moisture in your hair. Okay, so when you cover your hair at night, you find out that your hair will still be moisturized and soft by the next day. Okay, so you don't have to moisturize again and again and again. Okay, so the second tip I have for you guys is, do not comb your hair when it is dry. Okay, it's very bad, very bad. Your hair will break. It's very difficult to comb your hair when it is dry. Okay, make sure you apply water. Make water your friend, your best friend. Water should be your best friend. Okay, once you spray water to your hair, not too wet, a little bit damp, then you can now apply your oil and then your cream, which is just the simple process of moisturizing your hair. If this video has really been helpful to you, please click the like button and share this. Okay, so I would really like to know how often you moisturize your hair. Tell us, leave it at the comment down below. Okay, and don't forget, your hair is your crown, so wear it with pride. Thanks for watching.